Alright everyone, we are here at Super Wash Car Wash, and I've gotten word that it's not really that much of a reliable word, but it is a word that has been replaced. This used to be a Pro Navigator, if it is replaced, but we're gonna see what it is now.
Sorry, I've almost gotten to the front here. So here's the Super Wash front sign.
Okay, it looks like they've got a new line or sign up.
They do have a new something.
Oh yeah, they do have a new one.
A new high velocity wash.
It's a Washworld high velocity.
Oh.
Rest in peace, Pro Navigator. Well, we're gonna go through it. And also, it looks like they ripped out the old Southern Pride that used to, or actually that used to be a monorail. So we're going to walk through the abandoned one and then we're gonna check out the new one. So see you guys in just a second. Temporarily out of service. This actually might come back in service. But yeah, you can see the old rail where it used to be. There's where the treadle used to be. Yep, this setup is identical to what Earl's used to be. But if you look on my previous visit here, this used to have the old system. Here's the old treadle plate where it used to be. Yep, that is that. So, yeah, I think they might actually get a new system, being that the pay station still has power. But we'll find out. Only time will tell. Just noticed that they have Rain-X now. Okay, we check it out now. So, looks like they replaced the old pay station with a used Wash Select, because I'm pretty sure that they don't make these anymore. Hold on, I want to
Hello, welcome to our car wash. Please select your wash or enter your code now. Please add payment for your selection.
Yeah, no, this has definitely custom voices, but here's the sign. Yep. There's some points on the wall where this used to be a Pro Navigator. Here's the airlift paneling. There's the sensors for the undercarriage. Ew, smells like... Ugh, it smells like bunny. Like a bunny lived in here or something. Here's the T-bar. We got an ultrasonic sensor over there. There's the gantry. And then you got superior dryers out there. Here's the signage. Here's the back of the machine. They definitely got this used because they don't make these anymore. But let's go through it now. The undercarriage started before she even got in there. That arm whips around way too hard. This pre-soak doesn't smell good either. Watch this, look at how loose this arm is. Wow. Wow, they were so cheap they couldn't even include tri-foam on this unit. This is the Rain-X I can smell. It smells a lot like Rain-X. Spot-free rinse. So yeah, and also in fact, if you look back here, here's some of the old rails for the Pro Navigator. So yeah. All right, what did you think?
Those blow dryers rocked. They were so strong. I thought it was a good wash.
Yeah, I mean, the owners were cheap, I'll say that much. I mean, like, look at that. Even like where the old dryer timer was, they were so lazy they couldn't even rip out the pole. So it's just a bundle of wires hanging there.
Well, okay, but I have to say, it's a huge upgrade from what was here before. So, yes, there's a few issues still, but they're doing a good job. They're heading in the right direction.
I'll say 8 out of 10.
Okay.
But yeah, those blow dryers were so strong.
They were awesome.
So yeah, that's the car wash. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. And that'll be it.